Hey everybody, it's Grady at Twin Creek Audio, back in the studio today, and today I'm going to do a little drum recording demonstration. Now I have already used the Soundtracs Topaz recording console to track some drums, but in that video I did a whole song and I used the Glenn Johns mic technique with only 4 mics. Today I'm just going to record drums by themselves with a full mic setup like I normally would do for a rock or pop recording, so you can hear how good the Soundtracs Topaz sounds when you're recording drums. So let me show you the mic setup that I'm going to use and then check out the drum track. Let's look at the drum mics that I'm using. On the toms I have Audix i5s, which I've used before in a lot of videos, so this is the same thing if you've seen some of my other videos. So Audix i5 on the the second rack tom and the floor tom. The first rack tom is a GLS Audio ES57. Snare is an Audix D1. Overhead mics are Audio-Technica Pro 37R in a spaced pair configuration. Let's see, there's the other one. A hi-hat, a little secret weapon of mine. It's a PVM 480. Small diaphragm condenser there on the hi-hat, and the kick drum, as always, is an Audix D6. Let's look at the settings for the drum mics on the Soundtracs Topaz. These are the gain settings. It's the first 8 channels. Kick on 1, snare on 2, hi-hat on 3, toms are 4, 5, and 6, overheads are 7 and 8. The EQ is all switched out, so it's not being EQ'd. And here are the fader settings for the drum mics. Let's look at the settings for the drum mics on the Soundtracs Topaz. These are the gain settings. It's the first 8 channels. Kick on 1, snare on 2, hi-hat on 3, toms are 4, 5, and 6, overheads are 7 and 8. The EQ is all switched out, so it's not being EQ'd. And here are the fader settings for the drum mics. And here is Reaper open with all of the inputs on the audio interface assigned to tracks 1 through 8, so we're ready to track a little demonstration of drums. Well, I hope you enjoyed hearing the Soundtracs Topaz, using only the Topaz to record some drums. What do you guys think of the sound? I think the thing sounds fantastic. I love that console. I think it's a great sounding console with a lot of really high-end features, and you can pick them up for such little money these days. It's just a great console. So I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope you all have an excellent day, night, evening, weekend, weekday, hour, minute, second, nanosecond, whatever it is you're having. Have a good one, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.